Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. I hope your exam was good. Now, today we are starting our lecture of English with English grammar, and today's our topic is transformation of sentences. In that, today's topic is simple, compound, and complex. First of all, we'll learn the little bit definition of it. After that, we will see the transformation of it, and then what are the different keywords and rules that what we have supposed to apply for the transformation. It is very important that which keywords are basically covered in the given simple, compound, and complex. Okay, now let's we start with our class. So first of all, our first topic of today, that is simple sentence. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. It expresses a single complete thought that can stand on its own. That means your sentence is completely a thoughtful, meaningful sentence. That's why it's a simple sentence. If we really want to understand that which one, or we can say we to identify which sentence is the simple sentence, that what we can identify through the one finite verb that is always there in our simple sentence. That manner we can find it, and the sentence that gives the complete meaning. Here I have given you the example, and even the example's explanation is also there. The baby cried for food. Here the subject and a verb that expresses a complete thought. That means subject and predicate both are there. Professor Mapple's intelligent students completed and turned in their homework. Here it is not necessary that simple sentence, but always it's a short sentence. It may long. For example, here there are two verbs, completed and turned in. However, the sentence expresses one complete thought, and therefore it is a simple sentence. Megan and Ron ate too much and felt sick. Here also we have two subjects, and accordingly we have two verbs. That is, and that also give the complete meaning. एक परफेक्ट मीनिंग वाला सेंटेंस होता है, जो सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है उसमें या तो टू इन्फिनेटिव होता है और जेरेंट्स होते हैं. जेरेंट्स मीन्स ing वर्ड. If the gerund would be there, to infinitive word would be there, or if I said basically the one finite word would be there. With that we can identify the simple sentence. Okay, let me have the next is a compound sentence. A compound sentence has two independent clauses. An independent clause is a part of sentence that can stand alone because it contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought, just like the simple. Basically, a compound sentence contains two simple sentences, and these independent clauses are joining that. And these words are all that fanboys that we will see just after the given slides. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These different words that were basically found in our compound sentence. Here are the examples for it. The shoplifter had stolen clothes, so he ran once he saw the police. Both sides of the conjunction so. Did you find that? So. Right. So are complete. That is joining this sentence. Actually, the two sentences were the shoplifter had stolen clothes. He ran once he saw the police. And that was joined with the conjunction so. The shoplifter had stolen clothes can stand alone, and so he ran once he saw the police. That is what the two sentences, and that what we had joined with so. The next example, they spoke to him in Spanish, but he responded in English. Again, the two sentences, they spoke to him in Spanish. He responded in English. So while he responded in English, that is another sentence, and that was joined with the word with the conjunction but. So this is what your compound sentence. While the two sentences are joined with the fanboys, then it is a compound sentence. Let me have the next slide, that is of a complex sentence. A complex sentence is an independent clause joined by one or more dependent clauses. A dependent clause either lacks a subject or a verb or has both a subject and a verb. That does not express a complete thought. A complex sentence always has subordinator, that is as, because, since, after, although, when, or relative pronouns, that is who, that, which, whatever, whoever, whomsoever, whenever. All these basically connectors are there in complex sentence. Now we'll see the examples of it. Here we have the examples. After eating lunch at the cheesecake factory, Tim went to the gym to exercise. The independent clause is Tim went to the gym to exercise. The subordinate clause before it is, that is independent clause just after. If one were to say after eating lunch at the cheese factory, it would be an incomplete thought, right? For an example, if I said, if I hide this sentence, after eating lunch at the cheese factory, what he has done? So that what the sentence getting complete by adding the actual sentence we just beside. So that is called as our complex sentence. Getting me, student? So complex sentence in that one is incomplete and the subordinate means क्या, जो उसको join करता है और उसके बाद उसको complete sentence बनाता है, means only the one sentence that is not giving you the correct idea, but by joining the subordinate clause, that manner it completes the sentence. While in compound, what we are having, two different sentences, that what we are joining with fanboys. While in complex sentence, one sentence is incomplete and for that the subordinate clause is given, the another sentence is given which we are basically joining with the given connectors, which is giving the meaningful sentence by joining these two incomplete sentence. Clear? Now next, one is incomplete and another is going to make it complete. The woman, that is what our sentence is in. यहाँ पे आपका pause. The woman who taught art history was fired for stealing school supplies, right? Now the dependent clause in this sentence, who, क्या use किया है हमने? We had used here who taught art history 210, because if removed, the rest of the sentence would stand as an independent clause. Who taught art history 210 is an adjective clause that provides necessary details about the subject woman. यानी कि यहाँ पे मेरा subject है the woman, but मेरा subject complete कब होगा? While I am adding the subordinate clause which is giving the correct meaning to my sentence. At that time only my sentence would be completing, or else my sentence will never complete. right? So my one sentence is incomplete, and that what I am completing by the other subordinate clause by keeping the different connectors. Clear everyone? कंपाउंड में हमने दो डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस को कनेक्टर से ज्वाइन किया था. यहाँ पे हम एक इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस और एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं विद द गिवन कनेक्टर्स. क्लियर एवरीवन? Now our next topic, that is rules for transformation. Now we will see here the rules for transformation. Now the first, that is simple to compound. That is what in your exercise for all the 9th, 10th and 11th standard or 12th standard also you can say. This topic, it is common for all the students, and that what you are learning also. I don't know whether you had the notes of last year or not, but if you don't have, you all are requested to note it down all the given slides. Okay, please note it down all the given slides in your English CW without fail. You have the notes, and that's why you are not noting down it. It's a wrong habit. Don't do that. You have to note it down everything. Now we will move with the next rules for transformation. Students, always remember one thing. Whenever we are doing the transformation, at that time the thumb rule of all the transformation is one. The meaning of the sentence should not change. It is very obvious. Now, if I am making the compound sentence, now I have to make the compound sentence, right? So, what would be the title? Make it compound, right? And for making compound, which keywords we are using, and that is what I have given. You all are requested to write in same manner. जैसे मैंने लिखा है, that same manner you have to note it down in your CW. That is fanboys. Fanboys, it's a short keyword for you all, which is very common. Maybe many of you they know, and many those who don't know, please they have to get aware of. They have supposed to learn it. F stands for, A says and neither nor, B for but, O or either or, Y says yet, S says so. So this here not only but also will also come for compound sentence. So students, while we are writing compound sentence, while we are making compound sentence, we have to use these words, these connectors. These connectors only we are using while we are making the compound sentence. Now the next, here I have given you few examples. As such, I said simple to compound. Examples are also related to that only. Simple sentence. Being innocent, he never thought of running away. Being innocent. As I said, simple sentence के अंदर basically gerund का use होता है. Gerund, that is a ing word. Then being innocent, इससे पता चल जाता है कि मेरा sentence simple है. So I have make it compound. Let's see that. He was innocent and never thought of running away. Got it? Being innocent का क्या हो गया? He was innocent. Comma converted into and then he. That is already we had used here. We know we have, so we don't have need to use it here again. He was innocent and never thought of running away. Get it? Which conjunction I have used here? That is and. Now the next is owing to friend's intervention, he was later released from jail. Now I have to make it compounded. So a friend intervened and he was later released from jail. Which connector have I used here? Again and. Okay, which connector we have used here? And. Now the next is he fled for fear of being arrested. अब क्वेश्चन आएगा कि मैडम सेंटेंस में तो फॉर है, बट बेटा ये जो फॉर है दैट इज नॉट यूज्ड एज अ कनेक्टर. ठीक. नाउ ही फियर्ड दैट he would be arrested and fled, right? So he fled for fear of being arrested. He feared that he would be arrested and fled. Clear? So this manner we can make the simple sentence into the compound sentence. Now we are moving with the next rules for transformation. Now here compound to simple. सी स्टूडेंट, इट इज़ कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स, कोई भी हो, कॉम्प्लेक्स हो या कंपाउंड हो, फॉर बोथ. अगर मुझे सिंपल बनाना है तो ये मेरा कीवर्ड इसके लिए भी अवेलेबल है. दो इट्स अ सिंपल सेंटेंस, दो इट इज़ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, इट डजंट मैटर. अगर वो कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो भी मैं सिंपल बनाने के लिए दिस 4 वर्ड्स का ही यूज़ करती हूँ. राइट. नाउ the same key I have to apply for making complex to simple also. Body कंपाउंड बनाने के लिए हमारे पास क्या वर्ड था? फैन बॉयज. सिंपल बनाने के लिए हमारे पास क्या वर्ड है? बॉडी. बॉडी सेज बी स्टैंड्स फॉर बिकॉज ऑफ एंड बीइंग. ओ स्टैंड्स फॉर ओइंग टू. D stands for due to and despite of. I stands for in spite of. ठीक. That is what, if I am making for simple sentence, that manner I have to use these simple 4 words. The 4 word. Here I have changed the spelling of body. We don't have to use Y. Instead we have to use I, which stands for in spite of. While am I making the simple sentence from compound or complex, I can also use the gerund. Gerund means what? The ing word. Ing word means by opening. Open the door. So by opening the door. Are you getting me? So that manner, ये gerund का मैंने यूज़ किया और मैंने अपने सेंटेंस को सिंपल बनाना. यूज टू इन्फिनेटिव. टू इन्फिनेटिव का मतलब क्या होता है? टू पुट, टू कट, टू जंप. तो दिस ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज टू मेक आवर सेंटेंस सिंपल फ्रॉम कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स. Get it everyone? Even though I have given the title compound to simple, but if we are making from complex to simple, then also the same keywords what we have to use. Clear? Now let's we move with the next. The examples we will see. He took out the pen and started writing. So took out, that covered into the taking out. Get it? Taking out the pen, he started writing. Right? Here we were having and in between as a connector for compound sentence. But while I made it simple, at that time took become taking. So taking क्या हो गया? That is what our gerund. Right? This taking is our gerund. That what we have to use while we are making our sentence simple. Now we will see the next. He is poor but he is very happy. Here the connector is what? That is but. Right? Now he is poor. While we are having but, we can also use in spite of. As I said students, while we are making simple sentence, we can use body words. So I is there, so in spite of is there. So in spite of being poor, he is poor का क्या हो गया? In spite of being poor, he is very happy. Clear? Then the next is he was native and could not see through their schemes. Right? Being knave. Being knave, he could not see through their schemes. Right? तो being knave, he could not see their schemes. वो अपनी स्कीम्स को नहीं देख पाता है. विच इज़ joined with the word and. Right? and that what I had convert into being. क्या है ये be? This is also the keyword. Got it? So being बना, being का use करके हमने अपने sentence को simple बना दिया. Clear? Let's we move with the next. Now simple to complex. A simple sentence can be converted into complex sentence by expanding a word or phrase into a subordinate clause, which can be a noun clause, adjective clause or an adverb clause. क्या कहना चाहता है? हमारा जो सिंपल सेंटेंस है, एकदम छोटा वाला सेंटेंस, और वी कैन से द सेंटेंस विद द मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. नाउ आई वांट टू मेक इट कॉम्प्लेक्स. At that time, what I have to do? I have to use the subordinate clause, right? So in such a, that means the expanding word or phrase into a subordinate clause. जो तुम्हारा verb है, जो clause है, उसको तुमने subordinate clause के साथ include करना है by adding the given conjunction. जब हम complex sentence बनाते हैं तो सारे W words का use करते हैं. After, before, unless, then as soon as, hardly when, no sooner than, then until, although, all these different connectors, which connectors are not covered into compound sentence, these all connectors are basically used in complex sentence. Clear? Let's we see the examples which make you more clear. There I saw a beautiful girl. Simple sentence है आपका. Now I'm making it complex. There I saw a girl who was beautiful. Find it. क्या use किया मैंने? W. क्या use किया? What have I used here? W words. As I said that all the W words are coming, right? So that what as a complex that in a complex sentence. A wounded tiger is very fierce. Simple sentence. A tiger that is wounded is very fierce. So the connector is a that. That भी हमारा complex में ही आता है. On being challenged they ran away. ये क्या है हमारा? देखो अच्छे से. Simple sentence, right? तो what have I used? When. When they were challenged, they ran away. Right, student? Now, students, the same thing we'll see in our next sentence. His advice did not prove successful. What he advised did है, तो इसीलिए advised हो गया. What he advised did not prove successful. Clear? नाउ अभी हम कंपाउंड सेंटेंस भी देख लेते हैं. ये सिंपल का कंपाउंड बन के आया है. दैट इज़ बाय मिस्टेक मे बी टाइप्ड, सो इग्नोर इट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट अबाउट द सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज़ द कंपाउंड सेंटेंस एग्जाम्पल. जस्ट अवॉइड इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज़ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स टू सिंपल. यहाँ पर भी स्टूडेंट सेम रूल लगेगा. हमारा बॉडी ही यूज़ होता है. We are using body. Okay? Complex to simple बनाएंगे. A complex sentence can be converted into simple sentence by reducing subordinate clause into a word or a phrase. वैसे वैसा करेंगे, right? पहले simple to complex करना था तो हमने क्या किया? subordinate clause को बढ़ाया बीच में कनेक्टर डाल के. अब यहाँ पे हमको कट करना है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को कट करके फ्रेज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. कॉम्प्लेक्स में है आई नो दैट ही इज़ एन ऑनेस्ट गाय. आई नो हिम टू बी एन ऑनेस्ट गाय. गॉट इट? क्या यूज़ किया हमने? टू बी. टू इन्फिनेटिव. व्हाट वी हैव यूज्ड? टू इन्फिनेटिव. We could not figure out what he said. ये मेरा complex sentence है, right? What is there? So now I have to make it simple. We could not figure out the meaning of his words. Find it. We could not find out the meaning of his words. I have changed it by reducing an adjective clause. अब मुझे दूसरा क्या करना है, मैं मेरे adjective clause को reduce करूँगी. For example, those के बाद यहाँ यूज़ किया है that is my complex sentence. Here that becomes complex, that दिखा इसलिए वो complex है. Those that are helpless deserves our pity. The helpless deserves our pity. The statue that is made of marble was bought from Jaipur. Right? Now I am making, see, the statue अकेला होता तो वो सही रहता sentence, नहीं, so that is incomplete sentence. That what we had completed by adding the subordinate clause. Now we are making it simple sentence. So while we are making it simple sentence, the marble statue, मार्बल यहाँ पे था, द मार्बल स्टैचू वॉज बॉट फ्रॉम जयपुर. द स्टैचू दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ मार्बल, यहाँ पे दैट की जगह आप विच का भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. द स्टैचू विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ मार्बल वॉज बॉट फ्रॉम जयपुर. वाइल आई एम मेकिंग इट द सिंपल वन, I have to use the marble statue was bought from Jaipur. Find it? Now the next is they took shelter under a tree. What we have to use here? By reducing an adverb clause into a phrase. They took shelter under a tree because they were driven by the rain. ये क्या है? Because. Why because? Because shows it complex. देखो याद रखना, because of is coming in simple. Only because, that is because, सिर्फ because होगा वो आएगा आपका complex में. Because of will come in simple. Clear? Driven by the rain, they took shelter under a tree. Got it? This manner we are making it simple. He lost all hope because he was deceived by his own friend. Deceived by his own friend, he lost all hope. Clear? So this manner we are making the simple sentence complex to simple. Now the last part of understanding, that is complex to compound and compound to complex, vice versa. Independent or main clauses are usually introduced by the coordinating conjunction and or but, so, yet, no, for, etc. Right? What in short, if I say student, it is either here it is a neither nor. Not no, it's a neither nor. Typing mistake. It is nor. Okay. What it says, complex to compound. एक गांठ बांधो, एक चीज़ याद रखो कि while we are making compound sentence, चाहे वो simple में से बनाओ या complex में से बनाओ, we have to use fan voice. While we are making the simple sentence, at that time we have to go with body, gerund and to infinitive. And while we are making the complex sentence, just divide the sentence, one subject to divide and the subordinate clause to divide, and accordingly think कि which connector is suitable for joining these two sentences and to make it meaningful. Right? Compound में दो meaningful sentence तो होंगे, but these two sentences, that what we have to join. It is not necessary, it is only two, it may be more than two. Right? Same as for the complex also. Now let's we have the look of the examples. Number of examples I have given for you. Here, if you send in a return request, we will look into the matter. First of all, if है तो ये मेरा कौन सा sentence हो गया? This is my, if is there, so it is my complex sentence. Let me see, 1 minute student. It is our complex sentence. Okay, our first sentence, it is complex because if is there. Now send in a return request and we will look into the matter. ये अब क्या क्या हो गया, दैट बिकम्स अवर कंपाउंड. गॉट इट. हियर इफ था, दैट व्हाट वी हैव चेंज विद द कंपाउंड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज though antibiotics are effective against a number of diseases, they should be taken only after consulting your doctor. This is what your complex sentence. Now why the complex? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा कनेक्टर कौन सा दिया हुआ है, दो. राइट, विच कनेक्टर इज गिवन, दो. राइट, so according to that दो is given, so now we are making it complex, a compound. Antibiotics are effective against a number of diseases, but they should be taken only after consulting your doctor. Clear? As we couldn't catch the last bus, we had to walk all the way home. यहाँ पे हमारा कनेक्टर क्या है, as, that's why it is a complex sentence. Now making it compound. We couldn't catch the last bus. हम लास्ट बस को कैच नहीं कर पाएंगे. so is what, it is our compound. So is our compound. So we had to walk all the way home. Got it everyone? Here we have but, here we have and. So this manner we are using the fanboys to make the complex sentence, to convert the complex sentence into the compound. चाहे वो सिंपल का कंपाउंड करो या कम्प्लेक्स का कंपाउंड करो, फैन बॉयज ही में हम यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ वी आर कन्वर्टिंग कंपाउंड सेंटेंस इनटू द कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. Search his packet and you will find the watch. Search his packet and you will find the watch. Now what we have to do? We have to make it complex. If you search his packet, if, right, sentence का meaning देखो, search his packet and you will find the watch. If you search his packet, you will find the watch. तो by removing the conjunction and adding another conjunction if, we can change this sentence into complex sentence. Clear? Now the next sentence वो complex है, complex का compound कर रहे हैं हम. As soon as he received the telegram, he left in taxi. So this is what my complex sentence. Now I have to make it compounded. So let's we make, in this he received a telegram and he left the taxi. That is what the compound sentence. Are you getting me? Here what we are having, complex में हमारे पास क्या था, as soon as, and what we had changed here by keeping and. तो फैनबॉयज का यूज़ करके हमारा सेंटेंस कम्प्लेक्स से कंपाउंड बन गया. राइट, नाउ वी आर मूविंग विद द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कंपाउंड टू कॉम्प्लेक्स. अनदर सेंटेंस, यू टेक रेस्ट एंड यू गो ऑन विद द वर्क. व्हेन यू हैव रेस्टेड, अब मैंने क्या यूज़ किया है, when you have rested, go on with the work. That means and converted with the new conjunction, and that is with the when. Got it? So this manner we are converting compound sentence into complex and complex into compound by changing the connectors. जो connectors है वो change हो जाता है. compound के लिए we have connectors, fanboys. simple के लिए we have connectors, that is body. Then we have gerunds and to infinitive. Then for complex, whatever the remaining connectors, as soon as, hardly when, no sooner than, unless, until, though, although, then until, then after, before, everything and all the W words, when, which, what, whatever, whenever, then hence, all these different connectors, that what we are using for complex sentence. Students always remember one thing, while compound sentence, two different sentences, that what we are changing, that what we are joining by making it meaningful, and these all sentences are complete sentences where the clauses, two different clauses are there. But the subordinate clause, that what we have to use for the complex sentence, where one sentence is incomplete and by making it complete we have to use the connector accordingly, and that is for complex sentence. complex के connector ऐसे होते हैं जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस को सेकेंड सेंटेंस के साथ मिला के कंप्लीट बनाते हैं, एंड दैट मैनर दैट कनेक्टर्स व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज. ओके, so the connectors of a compound are not coming into the complex sentences. ठीक. Now for making compound sentence we have fanboys. For simple sentence we have body, gerunds to infinitive. For complex, all the remaining connectors, W words, this all are coming in that. Okay. Now the small table that what I have prepared for you, in spite plus verb plus ing, तो ये वाला होगा combination, than, though, although, even though, but, yet, still. That is what we have to use for compound. Second, in the event of, in case of, on verb, that is on jumping, on writing. For that we have if, can, will, could, would, unless, cannot, when, as soon as, that is covered into the complex. Compound में आएगा हमारा or, not, and, at once. Being, that becomes as, since, and, because, and compound will covered with the and, so, therefore. Compound simple we have as a result of, on account of, because. ये सारे simple sentences के words है. This is what words we basically it comes. तो complex में आएगा इसका since, as, because, that is what. And here in a compound sentence we would be having and, so, therefore. Fifth में हमारे पास है to. So that, to becomes so that, and here very, and so. In order to become so that, and so. Besides, then ing, besides writing, not only but also, and as well as, right? Without, working, after working, must, working, otherwise. This manner, these words, if these words are given, it would be changed with this kind of a combination. Clear? So this is what the changing of the combinations of a simple, compound and complex sentences. Clear everyone? Now this another short table that what I have made for the same words, all the different words that what I have meant for you. Please follow this. It is easy, very easy one. Just go through it. If you just read it out, then also it is easy for you to remember. Please go through it perfectly and learn it perfectly. Okay. Now here are the exercises for you. Here I have given you 5 sentences for each. सबके मैंने 5 sentences दिए हैं. Make it simple. Here are the sentences. You have to convert into the simple sentence. So I will for example already मैंने बहुत सारे examples आपको दिए हैं. Now we'll just do the given exercise. I sat on it and strapped it. Right? So the answer would be, we are making it simple. तो क्या करेंगे हम पहले? I sat on it. तो what would be the answer? Sitting on it, comma, I strapped it. Write it. What happened? What answers I have made? Sitting on it, I strapped it. Clear? This is what your first answer. Another sentence, I will not do all the answers, all the questions. You have to write all the remaining answers. I will give only the two answers to you. Now the next sentence that what we are moving with, and that is send them away or I will shoot. और वाला एक sentence ले रही हूँ. That is basically compound sentence and I have to make it simple. So while I am making it simple, send them away or I will shoot. So answer would be, on not sending them away, I will shoot. Got it? Then another sentence, when he finished, comma, he went to the window to buy a stamp. So answer would be, by finishing, he went to the window to buy a stamp. Clear? Understood? So that manner we have to make the simple sentence. Students, again repeating, whatever the slides are there, these all slides, all material, all the examples, all the exercise, everything you all are requested to write in your CW without fail. Clear? And today itself only. Now the next we will see, and that is make it complex. Complex के लिए हमारे पास कौन से keywords है? All the W words and all the different connector except fanboys. So let's we have the exercise to discuss here. First sentence, that what you have to do, it is easy. I am doing the second for you. His body became transparent. This is simple sentence. I have to make it complex. Simple से complex बनाना है. So let's we make that. It was his body which became transparent. Got it? It was, I am making the answer, I am writing answer for you. It was his body which became transparent. Got it? This is what your answer. Then the next sentence, shivering with cold. This is my simple sentence. Shivering with cold, he hurried to Darwin Lane. As he was shivering with cold, comma, he hurried to Darwin Lane. क्लियर? चलो अब एक कंपाउंड से भी सिंपल कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ट्राइड बट माई वाइफ वॉज इनकंसोलेबल. दो वी ट्राइड, माई वाइफ वॉज इनकंसोलेबल. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ द नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन विल सी, मेक इट कंपाउंड. वी हैव टू मेक इट कंपाउंड. फैन बॉयज का यूज करना है हो सके उतना. So we'll move with the first sentence. It's very easy. I'm moving with the another sentence. Let me tell you the fourth sentence, which is long lengthy one. I'm taking that. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. Right? So this is what your sentence is of. Basically, this is your complex sentence. Now I have to make it simple, compound. He had not eaten since the previous nightfall. He had, this is what my first sentence, right? मैं compound बना रही हूँ, तो this is my first sentence. He had not eaten since the previous nightfall, so he felt the heat. So he felt the heat. Clear? Now the next sentence, let's we have the look of it. Suddenly I had an idea. So answer would be, I had an idea and it was all of sudden. Another sentence, I was pained that I was not able to thank them. So answer would be, I was not able to thank them, so it pained me. Right? So by the using of and, but, and given fan voice, we can make our sentence compound sentence. Clear everyone? Yes? So this manner you have to convert all the given sentences and write all the slides in your CW without fail. This is very compulsory topic. Everyone have to note it down, everything what is given in the given slides. Whatever given in the given slides. And don't forget, this is only your worksheet to complete in your CW only. Clear? No matter to write in any of the rough notebook, everything that is to be in the CW only. Clear? Thank you very much.